yeah, so today I'm doing this affordable 4th of July look. I'm pretty sick right now, but I still felt like I need to film. So if I sniffle a bit or if I seem stuffy, I really apologize for that. But I needed to film today because I'm going out of town tomorrow for my sister's graduation. So I just wanted to film this 4th of July look with I did a pop of blue on the lower lash line and some burgundy in the crease and a white liner, so it's very red, white, and blue. And I paired it with a nude lip, though you can really pair it with any lip, like a bright cherry red lip, or give you a strawberry lip option. But I'm trying a couple new things in this video, like the liner's new, and the highlight's new, and the foundation. And the foundation I'll give you a review on in a bit, but this is the look so far. So please don't forget to comment down below. I really love hearing from you guys. And please subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. And click the notification button if you want to be notified for any of my other videos. I'll leave my social media down below also, so you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter. But if you want to see this look, just keep watching. So I already primed my eyes with the AOA Wonder Concealer. I'm going to lightly set it with some banana powder to have a clean, smooth base. So I'm going to go in with the BH Cosmetics Modern Mattes palette. It's very colorful. And then I'm going to start out with this shade right here. I'm just going to put it in my transition. And I'm going to mix these two colors on a Morphe M433 brush and place it a little lower in the crease. I'm going to be playing with a little bit of color today, so we want this transition area very blended. Now I'm going to go into my Z palette and mix ColourPop's Stay Golden and Makeup Geek's Bitten to create a nice red shade. And I'm going to go in with a Sigma E25. Just mix the two, tap off the excess. I'm going to go low in the crease. And just go slowly building up the color. Now I'm going to go in with Makeup Geek's Cherry Cola right here, same brush. Just going to focus it more on the outer edge though, so we deepen up the crease. I'm going to go in with Americano just a little bit. I'm going to go just on the outer corner lightly. To create a little bit more depth, I'm going to take some of this black from the BH Cosmetics palette, and then I'm going to just focus it tiny circular motions. The base of my eye, the outer corner. Now I'm going to cut the crease a little bit using my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I'm going to take a little bit on my MAC 242 and then carve out the crease. Just a little bit, just to clean up the lid. Do the same thing. Now I'm going to take Makeup Geek's Grandstand right here and put it everywhere that we put the concealer. Start in the middle, because that's where I want the most product. And sweep down. Just gonna sweep up. I'm going to do something a little different. I've never actually done this before. I'm going to take a white liquid liner. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Paints. And then I'm going to do a wing liner. And then to ground the look, I'm going to use the Revlon Color Stay liquid eye pen. And just going to draw a line at the base of my lashes. I'm going to tight line. Now I'm going to prime using my Soap & Glory One Heck of a Blot primer. I'm going to just... This is a new foundation for me. I haven't tried it yet. This is the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation, and I have the shade T60 or Warm Sun. I'm going to be doing a review on this in a bit, so stay tuned for that. And because I don't have any drugstore spot concealers, I'm just going to take my Age Rewind and spot conceal. Now I'm going to take my Age Rewind and just going to dot it where I have the most darkness underneath my eyes. And then for the rest of the face, I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and then highlight the face. I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette, and it has a banana shade and a bronzer, and this is the shade Caramel Toffee. I'm going to use it to set my concealer and brighten up my under eyes. To set the rest of the face, I'm going to use this CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Powder. Then I'm going to contour using the contour powder in this Wet n Wild duo. All I'm going to do is go underneath the cheekbones using my Makeup Geek blush brush. Gonna contour the sides of my foreheads. Now I'm going to use my NARS Eater brush to contour the sides of my nose. Focusing more at the tip for me to slim it out. It's completely optional, but I'm going to chisel out my contour a little bit more with the banana powder using this Morphe G30 brush. It's a very flat, dense contour brush that I usually use for cream contour. I'm going to go underneath the contour to sharpen it up. brush it away, and you're left with a very nice sharp line. Blush, I'm going to use this Milani Romantic Rose Blush. I'm just going to take it, focus it towards the back of my cheekbones, slim my face out. So I usually like a really bright highlight, and to make it last, I usually put a cream or a liquid underneath. So I'm going to use the L'Oreal Lumi Glotion right on the high points of my cheekbones, pressing it in with my finger. I'm trying this out for the first time. It's the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Shimmerista, and this will be my highlight for today. I'm going to use my Morphe R36 brush to highlight. And take a little bit on my Cupid's bow. I'm actually going to take a little bit on my inner corners. Right there. And what I'm going to do is take my Sephora black pencil and just put it on the outer corner just to deepen it up. I'm going to go back in with this BH Cosmetics palette. On a flat definer brush, this one is by Smashbox, I'm going to mix this cerulean blue and this navy together. What I'm going to do is going to press it to my lower lash line, focusing on the outside, not even going all the way through, just dragging the excess in. And take my pencil brush and mix the two colors, lightly tap off the excess, go underneath it, really focus on blending it out. I'm going to take the same definer brush and I'm going to go into the black. I'm going to press the black just to the outer corner, because I really like this highlight. I'm going to pop a little bit onto the center of the lid. I'm going to take my Sigma E45 brush. I'm going to pop it on the center of the lid. So I don't have another lower lash mascara besides my MAC one. All of them just have too big of a wand for me, and so I don't have a drugstore option. I'm really sorry about that, but I'm going to use my MAC Extended Play Lash. So now I have multiple lip options. I really prefer to go with a glossy nude. But you could also go with this NYX Butter Lipstick. It's like a strawberry kind of color, kind of sheer, just kind of reminds me of summer. You could obviously go with a true red lip, which I'm going to go with this NYX Simply Nude lip cream in this shade Sable. And I'm going to top it off with a shimmery lip gloss. This is the one Laura Lee made for around the holidays with ColourPop. So I'm going to apply this. I'm going to apply this to the center. Work out. And that is the finished look. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you recreate it, please let me know by tagging me on Instagram. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, don't forget, so that you can see the rest of my videos. And follow me on my social media. And I will see you later. Bye.